Here I have HUAWEI P Smart 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to change language on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then go to the system and update section, language and input, language and region, and add language. Here you have the whole list of languages which you can set your device in. Let's select, for example, Ukrainian, and here you, when you have it here, you just have to drag it on top like this, and the language will turn on to Ukrainian automatically. If you want to change it back to English, you just go to the налаштування, система і оновлення, мова та спосіб ведення, мова та регіон, and just select English. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.